The National Book Trust India under the Ministry of Education has announced the second edition of the Shillong Book Fair, scheduled to take place from 5th to 13th October 2024. This literary event aims to cultivate a deep love for reading among the citizens of Shillong, with a special focus on the younger generation. Principal Secretary of the Arts and Culture Department F.R. Kharkongor highlighted Shillong's inherent interest in literature, noting the city's impressive track record of producing talented writers who have gained international recognition.
One nation. So, are you also?
We are expecting that there will be very high footfalls, and there's an innate interest amongst the citizens of Shillong about books. And Shillong has produced many writers also who have published at Sahitya Academy. Some of them are doing very well internationally, like Janice Pariat and so on and so forth. So I think this will also inculcate, this reading habit. We have seen the perils of the mobile technology in the recent past, and we are sure that with these efforts from the National Book Trust, along with the state government, that it will help to wean them away from technology.